some of the students with psychosomatic disorders.
And that is?
Psychosomatic disorder is that it's actually, there is no pain in the body, but you are just feeling it. So a lot of problems are happening because of the wrong content
Media
we are
consumption.
consuming. So there are two kinds of personalities in this world, introvert and extrovert. ज़्यादा actually देखा जाए तो extroverts में depression आता है.
Oh, all right. I am an extrovert. हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर होस्ट सुनिधि और आज का जो एपिसोड है ये बहुत ही स्पेशल ट्रीट है फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, फॉर ऑल द व्यूअर्स आउट देयर, बिकॉज दिस इज विद वेरी अमेजिंग काउंसलर ऑफ CGC Jhanjeri, Leena ma'am. Thank you so much for joining with us today.
My pleasure.
Yeah, it's our pleasure too. And since ये जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है ये इमोशनल हेल्थ और मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में है, तो आई थिंक मैं एक नॉर्म से शुरू करना चाहूंगी ये कॉन्वर्सेशन जो यूजुअली हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी में देखने को मिलता है. एंड दैट इज दैट मैंने एक वर्ड भी सुना है, लोग कह देते हैं वेरी लूजली दैट यू आप पागल हैं तो आप काउंसलर के पास जा रहे हैं. तो इस चीज में कितनी सच्चाई है, प्लीज एनलाइटन अस प्लीज.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बिल्कुल सच्चाई नहीं है. हम इनफैक्ट हमारी जनरेशन, पुरानी जनरेशंस में स्टिग्मा माना जाता था एंड हार्डली देयर वर काउंसलर्स व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप. We didn't have any counselor in our school.
Oh God, yeah, true.
So, but I am very confident and it's very happy to say this that today's youth is different.
Yes.
They have very open-minded. They are very progressive. They don't. If they are distressed, they would seek help.
CGC Jhanjeri में एक counselor Leena ma'am, she has been helping the students. So while helping the students or maybe faculty, what is your counseling style?
We have learned so many techniques. There are so many different styles.
Okay.
And for every different client, because every person is so different and
Yes.
unique, so the counseling style has to be different,
Unique.
right? So we decide at the spur of the moment what style we are using. But if you ask me, the style which I use more often and close to my heart, it is Robert Karkoff model,
Okay.
which is also called person-centric counseling. Person-centric or
counseling.
client-centric, you can say, which comes under humanistic counseling,
Right.
humanistic therapy.
All right. And when you practice it, right, अपने हमारे students में or maybe faculty members में, what kind of results have you seen while practicing this counseling style?
Very good question. Past 5 months, I joined in 2024. So I have seen very good results. In fact, yesterday only I got a call from one of my clients, and she was so thrilled. She said, "Ma'am, you are the first one I'm breaking this news. I got in the company which, I sat down with you and we both manifested it."
Oh, lovely.
So, these things, these moments give me so much pleasure and satisfaction that, I am able to impact
Somebody's life.
It's
good to hear. I mean, itna youth hai, they have a lot of energy and they invest their energy in the things they should not be investing.
Absolutely.
And I guess इस उम्र में एक सही guidance और mentor की ज़रूरत होती है. And CGC Jhanjeri take care, special care of this, and that's why we have an expert like her here. ये जो पुराने conversation हम कर रहे थे, we were having a discussion about the manifestation. In layman terms, what do you think? What actually manifestation is, and does it really work?
Oh, it really works. But there's lots. I mean, we can have the whole episode on
Of
this
manifestation.
Yes, because it works, but there are conditions apply.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
you have to be absolutely clear in your mind what you want, and with a very pure energy, you focus on your goals and you manifest it, you get it.
Yeah, और मेरे ख्याल से अगर इसको थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक और आर्टिस्टिक वे में समझाना हो तो वो there was this movie of शाहरुख खान, ओम शांति ओम, उसमें एक डायलॉग था कि अगर आप किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात आपको उससे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है.
Very true.
मेरे ख्याल से आपने अपनी एग्जांपल भी बताया that one of the student, he or she got placed in some company after manifesting that
Yes,
he
she
or she
was
wants to
being
work there.
rejected. Yes, by a lot of companies, and she was very rejected. She was like very down and low, very anxious when she came to me. After 2 days, I got a good news. Yes,
that's lovely that we are seeing results in the students of CGC Jhanjeri.
Trust in the higher plan.
Higher plan. So
We
when
call it a divine plan.
Exactly, divine plan. So when we talk about divine plan, what do you exactly mean by that? कि divine plan क्या है?
When I say divine plan, see, we have small goals. Okay, मैंने ये करना है, मुझे ये company चाहिए. No, those are. But what actually happens is best for you. But how many of us actually feel कि जो हमारे साथ हो रहा है वो सबसे अच्छा हो रहा है, हम यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, it's a greater purpose.
And I guess यहीं से ना गीता का सार भी निकल के आता है कि कर्म करते जाओ और फल की चिंता मत रखो.
Yes.
So we can call divine plan as a plan which is best for you.
That's
है
right.
ना, in short words.
That's right.
And I guess हम बचपन में भी पढ़ते थे कि everything happens for our own good, apostrophes में.
Everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
Very important to understand that.
And there's a reason behind it, and to fulfill some purpose. Right. What do you think, what are the signs that we can read in a student or maybe in a person that this person is dealing with some kind of stress?
The child feeling anxious, exhausted, getting into mild depression, not eating well, not sleeping well, not meeting up with friends, locking up in
not socializing basically.
Absolutely. Then also I come across some of the students with psychosomatic disorders.
And that is?
Psychosomatic disorder is that it's actually, there is no pain in the body, but you are just feeling it. It's in the mind. So when you sit down to study, because your mind is on it, you don't want to do it. So you know you feel pain, headache हो रहा है, कभी कुछ हो रहा है. So
but that doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist.
Oh,
so we have that person has done all the tests, physical tests. बिल्कुल ठीक है physically, but वो mind में है.
All right, this is something, if you observe any of these signs in yourself, I would and we would suggest you to go to an expert, and she's all here for your help. So what are those tips that you give to them?
I think I would tell them to have to manage their time well, to start their day, like less social media, a little bit, yes, for distraction, little bit, okay, but you need to focus. Students need to focus on their studies, right? That's the duty. So I would say start your day on a very positive note. Eat well, sleep well, think well, feel well. These are the things. Information, very important. Nowadays, most of the time we are on the phone.
Yes.
So now what information we are consuming, that is very, very important. So a lot of problems are happening because of the wrong content
media
we are
consumption.
Consuming. Express, take it out, whatever is there. If you don't have a friend, can't talk to your parents, write it down.
Right.
So we say therapeutic writing. I give a lot of therapeutic writing to my clients.
Yes.
So they can write maybe gratitude journal, so in which they can write gratitude, they can write forgiveness, they can write their victories. 3 things. So there are 2 kinds of personalities in this world, introvert and extrovert. तो introvert में different तरह की positives हैं और different तरह की negatives हैं. Even extroverts में ज़्यादा actually देखा जाए तो extroverts में depression आता है.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
So introverts, because they're observing, they know their intrapersonal intelligence is higher than the extroverts, because they are reflecting all the time, right? So depression we have seen more in extroverts. So they have to take care.
All right. I am an extrovert. All right.
But you can express, you don't have a problem, I guess.
Yes,
so if you have a problem, I'm sitting here, you can seek help.
All those boys or men who are listening to this, what is your suggestion? कि वो भी रो सकते हैं, वो भी express कर सकते हैं. I think this is taboo, is धीरे-धीरे ये taboo जा रहा है.
Yes.
But still, I think a lot of men still hide their feelings. They don't want to express, they don't want to tell what exactly they feel, not even to their sisters, mothers, girlfriends, wives. So what is that one tip to all the men out there?
All the men out there, please, we are sorry that women, your mothers have conditioned you not to cry. So you can cry, you're also a human being, you also have a heart, right? Like girls. So please express your emotions. If you're okay with it, it's okay. But as long as you're happy and peaceful, that's fine. You don't have to express if you don't want to.
You don't want
but you should not be troubled. So
मेरे ख्याल से सिनेमा का भी इसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है. अमिताभ बच्चन जी का एक बहुत फेमस डायलॉग था, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता.
but आमिर खान भी हैं अभी जो कह रहे हैं you know
हाँ, मर्द को दर्द
होता है मर्द को दर्द होता है.
So that's what वो टाबू धीरे धीरे
कम हो रहा है.
एंड आई गेस इस तरह के कॉन्वर्सेशंस, इस तरह के डिस्कशंस, इस तरह के पॉडकास्ट पहुंचेंगे तमाम लोगों तक, एंड दे विल बी एनलाइटन एंड दे विल बी फॉस्टरिंग टुवर्ड्स अ बेटर मेंटल हेल्थ, isn't it?
That's right.
Yeah. I think we had a very fruitful discussion, but lastly, anything that we missed out you want to add on the part of emotional health or mental health, anything else?
I would say you want to have a star performance, okay? You want to be a leader. Your EI. Nowadays, IQ has a part to play. You will get good marks. But EQ I mean emotional quotient, has to be high. And the good news is that IQ is fixed. You're born with a certain IQ, but EQ you can take to any level. So, and if you have high EQ, if you're emotionally very intelligent and resilient, you can do wonders. You can be a star in whatever role you're playing in life.
Yeah. And lastly, any tip for increasing that EQ?
Self-awareness, first thing.
Okay.
Self-awareness, know yourself. Very, very important. Empathy, there are a lot of different things, but these two very important. Intrapersonal intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, there's a lot of things to enhance your EQ, but first and foremost is your awareness, self-awareness, how aware you are about your good and bad.
Right. This was so good. I guess मेरे साथ साथ बहुत सारे जितने भी लोग इस चीज़ पॉडकास्ट को देखने वाले हैं, they have learned that मेरे ख्याल से self awareness, that's what you meant, isn't it?
That's
self awareness
right.
and self exploration is the key to a better mental health.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's what I got. And all right, so this was a very lovely session talking to the counselor, very amazing counselor that we have at CDC Jhanjeri. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.